This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn some features of Microsoft PowerPoint. So first we will know about a slide layout. First we will know the definition. A slide layout contains placeholders to hold various types of contents. Whenever slide layout task pane is opened, you have various layouts to select from. To change the slide layout, we will follow the given steps. First, we will select the slide whose layout we want to change. We will click the home button, which is already selected over here. So from the layout option from slides group, this is the slides group of the home tab, and this is known as layout option. So we will click it, and you can see that the slide layout task pane is open up. So we will select the layout we want to apply on our presentation. So in this case we will select this one, and when we will click it, then you can see that the selected slide appears in our selected layout. So this is how we can add a slide layout to our presentation. Now we can insert text, graphics, charts. You can see multiple icons. When we just drag the mouse over it, then you can see it is used for insert a table. When you click it, then viewers, you can see that we can have and we can see an option of inserting table. Since we don't want to insert it, so we can just have an idea that by clicking on this icon we can insert a table. We can select number of rows and columns right from here. Since we don't want to add it, just we will click at the cancel button. So if I drag the mouse over this icon, it says insert chart. So this is used for displaying and adding charts into your presentation. So when we will click on this option, then viewers, then you can see that we have multiple type of charts available provided by Microsoft PowerPoint, and we can select any one of them according to our requirement. So when we drag mouse over insert smart art graphic, so when we will click on this option, so viewers, you can see there are a number of lists you can see right from here, and you can see and you can add this list, and from here you can see there are numbers of lists available, and that it is categorized in this section. When you click on the list option, then you can see that we can have a number of lists that can be added to our presentation. And when we will click on the process option, then we can have multiple processes diagrams available in the smart art graphic. And when we will click on the cycle option, then you can have a multiple cycle graphics available, like there are multiple basic style, text style, block cycle, non-directional cycle, diverging radial. So multiple gear, you can use any one of them. So when we will click on it, we can see the description as well about each and every cycle. Like if you click and select it, then you can see that there's some explanation about this option. This gear is used to show interlocking ideas. Each of the first 3 lines of level 1 text corresponds to a gear shape, and the corresponding level 2 text appears in rectangles next to the gear shape. Unused text does not appear but remains available if you switch layout. So viewers, you can see that the description and explanation is always there, provided by the Microsoft PowerPoint. And when we will click at the hierarchy option, then we can see a multiple hierarchy graphics from this section, and we can use anyone according to our requirement. And their relationship options is also there. Matrix option is available. pyramid, picture, and office.com. When you want to use, you need to download it from the website of the office.com. You can always click on this button, and then the web page will be open for you, and you can select the smart art graphics from the office website. Now we will drag our mouse to this icon, and you can see that it says that it insert picture from file. When we will click on it, then we will see that we can insert picture from our computer. And this option says, this icon says clip art, and when we will click on it, then there you can see multiple clip art available, like illustration, photographs, videos, audios. When we click on the videos and press the go button, then you can see there are multiple videos available by Microsoft PowerPoint, and then we can add any one of them according to our requirement. But if you want to see and find more at the office.com, then you can click on this option, and it will take you to the office.com website, and then you can download multiple videos from that website. So if you want to insert, like if for example, viewers, if you will add this video and if you run it, then you can see that it can be seen in your picture, in your presentation. So since we don't need it, so we will delete it. And like audio, you can see multiple audios. Like if you just want audio, we will select the audio section. Just we will select it and we'll tick mark it, and we'll press the go button. Then viewers, you can see that there are two types of files that are available, and if you want to use the videos, we will select, just check the videos option, and we'll uncheck all other options, and we'll press the go button, and then we can insert a video. So viewers, you can see that the animation and video can be inserted into your document. And if you want to add photographs, just select the photograph, and we'll uncheck all other options, and we'll press the go button. Then you can see that we can have multiple photographs. And if we just need to add the illustrations, we will click on it and we'll press the go button. Then you can see there are multiple number of illustration can be selected and inserted from this option. Now we will drag our mouse and we'll take to the insert media clip. So when we will click on this option, then viewers, you can see that we can select it from our computer. We can take any kind of video. If you want to add, we can, like if I have and would like to add this video, and we can insert it into our presentation, then this video cannot be inserted. Like sometimes that the format of the file cannot be opened in Microsoft PowerPoint, so it cannot be inserted and added into your presentation. So there are multiple views are available in PowerPoint, and we will discuss in our next video. So that's all, and thanks for watching.